To get always on display in Samsung Galaxy A07, first of all we'll need to open our Google Play Store. As always on display is not normally available for this device, we'll need to download an app that allows us to get always on display, and the app name is Movies Edge. So type in Movies Edge like I'm doing right now, and here is the app that we need. Now we'll download it and then open it. After that, we'll need to grant all of the permissions that will show up on the screen, like draw over the other apps. Then we can go back. And after that, we can select AOD and pick whichever one you like. So choose the specific option. Keep in mind that the ones with Star, you will need to pay for them or have a premium service for that app. In this case, we're gonna go for something like that, and then we can finally apply it. Now, after a moment, when it's applied, we'll be able to go back, lock our device, and then we should see always on display. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.